Hey guys, I'm at Homegoods. Oh, this was the first piece of Halloween I saw. It was on the tank. 20 bucks. It's a tea light holder, I feel like. Girl, that spider just touched me. So a couple repeats. I see the ghost is here with the candy corn rocking. Look at Winnie the Pooh. That is cute. Oh my goodness. Miss Girl, this is 25 bucks. It's so super cute though, that bee. I feel like these the fake JP people. The little candy, 9 bucks. The hand carved wood and the ghost. This is 15. Here's the pumpkin one. I really like this one, maybe because it looks like a bottle. And here's the candy corn one. I do like that ghost. Not too much rocking. So far, I feel like they're still putting it out, right? Because we have some empty shelves and things. Look, Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. The candy corn lane people, I love them. This is 15 bucks. At first, I was afraid to pick it up. I thought maybe it was going to fall. It was going to fall over or something. I was so nervous. This is 30 bucks. This is kind of cute. Look at them up there, the family. Yeah, the only thing over here I saw was this. And I really do like this. I think I'm going to eventually pick these up. It was a small, a medium, and then the bigger one is back there. Oh, this is different. This light right here. Let me see. Let me try me. Yeah, that's 20 bucks. Girl, I had to move him. Now, you better stop it on that. I'd rather be at Homegoods. That's the trick-or-treat bag. That is adorable. Oh, my goodness. Why is he leaning on him like that? It's 25. I had to come on the other side and look at that one. Girl. Oh, let me see. Girl. Now, this wood one I really like. I feel like this is a centerpiece for me. Yeah, this is 15 bucks. I would definitely get this. Look how big this is. This black and white is rocking. Anytime I see black and white, I think of Beetlejuice. Girl, this is 100 bucks. Did I see that right? I sure did. That's 100 bucks. It's fire though. Oh, he's 100 bucks too. Girl, his eyes are lit up. How many times I say that? I love these food, right? Fruit and veggies, right? These seeds, that's 60 bucks. That's so cute, the green pepper. And here's the honey. Like these I see in my basement as I'm getting ready for that whole situation. I think they're so darn cute. I'm in the try me aisle. She on the shelf. Miss Girl. 20 bucks on that. That's super cute. So these were the ones that I picked up, right? So New York Rick, I feel like, picked up the pepperoni ones. He said he didn't like them. I grabbed the tomato basil. They taste just like a slice of pizza. Yes, some ween is rocking. Oh, they're over here. Okay, look at Stitch. He is so darn cute. I want this just because it's tiny like the other one I just picked up. Isn't that so cute? $12.99, 13 bucks. All this Hello Kitty is so darn cute. I feel like this is a tea light holder. I think. Oh yeah, the back is out. This one too? This is 25. That is adorable. That's just a tabletop right there. That's perfect. Yeah, 25. And this one right here, she's on the clouds. Ow! I just got it. She's a witch. She's a witch on the clouds. That is funny. This reminds me of Little Shop of Horrors, I feel like. 30 bucks, Hotel of Horrors, vacancy. This is borderline for me. I think I could do this. These blue sky people, I like them too. Yeah, this is all right. Oh, wow. I like this because of the handle. You better stop it on that. Oh, I think I want this because of the ghost. 15 bucks. Yeah, I think I want it in the cart. Miss Girl, it's the only one here. I can't tell you when the last time I bought Ray Dunn measuring cups. That's crazy. Oh, look at this. The salt and pepper shaker's here. I don't want to turn it upside down because I'm afraid I'll drop it. Is that bones? Oh, like a skeleton. Like they're sitting in that. Girl. girl, all this discovery. Oh, they were stuck down. It's 15 bucks. These are cute, these napkins. It's a set of 6 here. 13 bucks. Oh, this one was over here with the goodies. Isn't that cute? With the candy corn on there. Ice cream parlor. Oh, ice cream parlor. Open all night, girl. 25. I'm still not ready, but these things are so darn cute. Come on now. You know I'm all about it. Football season. Look at the handle. Yes, I need it. 7 bucks in the cart. Oh, this is cute. I feel like I haven't seen this before. No. Oh, everything seems fine. What's this? 7? 10. This one is 10. Oh, this is the Home Sweet Home. Like, I feel like anything with Snoopy on it, I need to rock because of Hershey. I'm a mess. Here's that Elmo. At the top, I feel like this is the one I didn't see. I grabbed Cookie, and I saw Oscar the Grouch with the trash can, but Elmo, he doesn't have anything. Is this the same type of mug? I feel like it is. This is 6 bucks. It's still cute. Oh, it's some down here. I almost missed it. The ghost is coming out of the mug. Oh, I don't need it. I don't need this for 8 bucks. That is cute. I really like it. Boo, that's cute with the black trim, right? You better stop. You better stop it on that. That is adorable. Look at the ghost on the handle up there. I might need this one. I might need it. I feel like I did see this. Share the love. Isn't that so cute? It's so tiny. 10 bucks. You know, I've never seen this before. Yeehaw. Get out of here. And it's on clearance for $4.50. Jessie is rocking. Y'all, I feel like I might need this. Oh my goodness. In the cart. What is going on? I never saw this either. Cindy rocking. And this one right here too. Those were on clearance for $5. $1.50 for this. I too like this. I don't know why, but I like it. It's simple. I feel like it could go in a corner, it can go in the hallway, or anything. I feel like I don't need it. I just really like it. Yeah, this one too. It's like a ladder type. That's $1.50. It's a couple things over here at checkout. Girl. Yes. On the yoga. Miss Girl. With the... Yes, that's me. With Hershey. Oh my goodness. How much is this? That's $13. That's probably going to end up in the cart. That's super cute. That's cute. All right, this is all I'm going to rock. Yeehaw, right? Girl, I do not need that. I do not need that. Football season, I 100% need. You know, I'm all about football, right? And these measuring cups, which I have not bought, oh my goodness, in so long. 15 bucks. So, yeah. All right, I'm going to go. I'll see you soon. Bye.